1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have got there you go, an Avon haul for you. First thing I'm going to show you is this. It's the Senses shower gel. These are really, really nice. Now, how much did I pay for this? £1.50, and there's 500 mils in here. Green tea and verbena, which I just love the smell of verbena. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty colour. I haven't actually used this scent before, so to me this is a new scent. So I'm just going to give it the sniff test. Oh, that's nice. You can smell the verbena, but it's quite subtle. It's not a really strong scent. And these last for ages and ages and ages, honestly. They really do. And they lather up beautifully. This is another one from the Infusions collection. That other one, sorry, is also from the Infusions collection, which is why it's got the two fragrances in. This one is Zen, and it's Mandarin and Jasmine. 500 mils again for £1.50. Go. A lovely fresh looking colour. Let's give it a sniff. Oh my goodness me. Satsumas all the way. Well, mandarin, yeah. Mandarin all the way. It really does smell like it. I can't smell the jasmine, but it probably is, you know, it probably does smell of jasmine as well, but obviously the mandarin's sort of the stronger smell, so that's what I'm getting first. Oh my goodness, I think I'd probably use that one morning and this one evening, because the orange one definitely is more sort of zesty and wake you up vibes. Okay, the other thing I got was these. I have actually used these, and they are nail clippers. Okay, they are longer than the normal ones, as opposed to having the cutting blade at the top. They are at the side. Don't know, there you go. So they're a little bit easier to use, and also this part here has got like the easy grip rubbery handle. They were £2, so I wouldn't say they were a bargain, but it was just convenient to purchase them at the same time. This is the Avon Naturals Hair Care, and it's the leave-in treatment, apricot and shea, 125 mils. That is what it looks like. This is something I haven't used before, but I have seen in a few other people's Avon hauls that they've absolutely rated this, and they use it in their hair, they use it in their children's hair, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I'm going to see what it smells like. I can't really put it anywhere, that's the trouble, to squeeze it out. Hold on, let me do it this way. Okay, I've managed to squeeze a little bit out, look. So I'm just going to rub it in my fingers to smell it. Oh, look, it just literally melts into the skin. So that clearly is going to melt right into the hair. Maybe I should have done this. It's a leave-in conditioner, so, oh, it smells like vanilla. Definitely smells of vanilla, but that'd be the shea butter, won't it? So, oh, it's nice. Doesn't feel at all greasy. That's nice. £1.25 for that. And then also for £1.25 I got this. This is the Natural Strand Strength Detangling Spray. And again, the people that I've seen who have bought the leave-in conditioner have also bought this. So that's what it looks like. You have got 150 mils. So 125 in this one. 150 in this one. This is going to be a lot easier because I can just literally spray it, can't I? It's the exact same fragrance. Oh, it just makes your hair smell really nice. I think the fragrance in the conditioner seems to be a little bit stronger, but I think that's possibly just because it's like a cream gel formula. And this is a spray, so you're not getting such a condensed hit, are you? You know, but it's lovely. That feels really nice. I also got this. This is the Avon Skin So Soft. It's the original one. This is the iconic dry oil spray, and it's got jojoba oil in it. 150 mils. It's in a very retro bottle. That's what it looks like. This was £3.50. Now, I have used one of the Skin So Soft dry oils before, but I don't know if it was this particular formula. So I'm going to try, I don't know if I'm going to spray it really, because I can't spray it on this arm myself, I don't think. I'll have a go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and aim to spray it on this shoulder, okay? There we go, it's on there. I obviously can't rub it in really myself, but oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Wow. But yeah, look at that packaging, isn't it beautiful? Really lovely. And I just thought, because my arm's out of action, I'm finding it really difficult putting on things like body oils and stuff. I can do it on like my right leg and stuff, but it's just difficult. And I thought, well, with that, because my skin is drying out as well because of medication, I thought Chris could just spritz that on, and he hasn't got to do anything, he hasn't got to rub it in or anything, so yeah, win-win. So all of that came to £11, and I don't think that was bad at all, especially as I've got like the shower gels. They're going to last for ages, 150 mils each. The hair conditioner and detangling spray, it's going to last me for ages, so is the oil. Nail clippers are just obviously never going to run out, are they? And yeah, that's everything I got from my last Avon haul. I have the new Avon book here, this one. This brochure is number 14, but I'm very tempted by what I see on the back page straight away, and it's this mascara. It's £7, which is a pretty average price for a mascara, but it says that it's the world's first mascara that truly does it all. It's a 5-in-1 Lash Genius. It's got a whole load more about it. It says it's got a smart control brush that hugs your lash line to lift, stretch and separate every single lash. Unique tip catches and controls tiny lashes. It's got a quick glide gel formula that coats lashes from root to tip instantly, effortlessly every time. They do it in a few different colours. They've got it in black, black is black and black brown. Well, I'll go for black is black. It's on offer for £7 and it is going to be £9, so that is something that I may order. I'm always up to trying a new mascara, still trying to find the perfect one, haven't yet. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. See you all in the next one, and look out for the next Avon haul. Bye my loves, bye.